Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. As you can guess from the title, today we are going on an adventure. So this time we're actually going to Giverny, which is only an hour away from Paris by train and even by bus. The place that we're going today is stunning! We're actually going to La Maison de Monet, which is the house where Monet lived. So I'm super excited to see the house that inspired all of his famous paintings. I've been wanting to go to Giverny for such a long time. This trip was originally supposed to be a solo trip, but somehow I convinced a friend to come with me, so we're going there together, which is really nice. I'm really glad that she's coming though. I will try to film as much as I can. The only concern that I have is the weather. Are we surprised? I'm really not. It is so rainy. I was thinking like which day I should go. When I was buying my tickets, I was like, which day I should go? Like, I didn't want to go on the weekend because I imagined that there would be a lot more people than during the weekdays. So I was just like, okay, I'm just gonna go on Friday. Today's Friday. But the weather is just so bad. But the problem is like, it's been like this for like days. Like, you cannot wait for the perfect opportunity. Like, there's no such thing. I told myself, just pick a day and go and make it the perfect opportunity. Anyways, we're gonna go. I'm gonna go. I will have to go to the train station and it goes directly to the train station of Giverny, and then after that we will have to take either like a taxi or a bike or a bus. I have no idea how we're gonna go to the museum. We will figure it out together, so no worries. Also, before we start, just please make sure to subscribe to this channel and like this video if you feel like doing that. And without any further ado, let's go!
Even if I wouldn't, I trust can see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. All the good times just begun. We know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. Oh, you and I, we got it. We don't need no more. Even in the hard time, you and I can weather any storm. Before I sleep, hear the crickets, see the moon. Side by side and through. No limit to what we can do. We know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. Oh, you and I, we got it. We don't need no
For example, 590, you will have 2 rooms and living room.
Oh my, okay.
They turn our homes into ashes. We fled out the back door. We ran towards the city lights. Oh, the city lights. Still not used to all this concrete. Abandoned cars in the outskirts where we sit and eat.
Where are we? Oh my god, thank you. There's one. Thank you. Give me the horse.
We knew we had to forget for now. In order to survive, we put our past aside just to stay alive. But when we're done with this city, we're going back to the hills to take it all back somehow. Taking
You wanted
it back
pizza?
somehow.
Aww.
Oh no, we don't need another wolf at the door. Oh no, we don't need another wolf at the door. Oh no, we've been through all this so many times before. Oh no, we don't need wolf at the door. Just like an old elephant, we're going back to the start. Find a place in the shade.
Hello guys, welcome back. So it's been actually 3 days now that we've been to Giverny, and I just wanted to kind of like give you guys like a conclusion to it, a conclusion to our trip, because I started editing the video and I realized that I basically like I didn't really speak during our trip. I was just so like immersed and like in the moment that I really didn't even think about like talking. Also I was with Dina, so I didn't want to like film too much, but I just just kind of wanted to like sit down and give you guys like my opinion on how was it, and maybe if you're interested in going, like some basic tips that you can take away if you're interested in going there one day. So yeah, so basically it was a super nice trip and I really recommend all of you guys to go there one day. It was absolutely beautiful. Nature, perfection, beauty, animals, fresh air, bicycles, museums, art, what else you need in life, seriously. No, but it was really nice. Yeah, and also super fast. The time that we spent flew by so fast. Yeah, we went there in the morning, we got there around 12 p.m. We took the train, it was about an hour to go to Giverny from Paris. From the train station we rented bicycles and it was like the best thing ever. Like honestly, if you're going to Giverny and if you want to see the museum, rent a bicycle. It was only 10 euros for the whole day, which is nothing. And the museum is really not so far from the train station. I think it was about like 20 minutes by bike. If you like riding bicycles, definitely rent a bike. It was super nice. What else about the museum? So for the museum we reserved the tickets in advance, but you can also just buy it when you're in the museum. I really recommend you guys to go there during the week because I'm pretty sure that it's super crowded during the weekend. Like it was already pretty crowded during the week, like there were like quite a lot of people, even though we went there around like lunchtime. There were quite a lot of people. I honestly felt like I'm looking at a picture on Tumblr when I was in the museum, and yeah, it was just really beautiful. Like you have to see it in person. You can, like, the videos cannot even capture the beauty of that place, even though I really tried. It's a really tiny place. Like one day there is totally enough, maybe two if you want to do like a getaway, but yeah, one day is totally enough, like a day trip. My only recommendation is that you rent a bike and that you reserve your ticket in advance for the museum so that you don't have to wait when you're going in. Also, just one fun fact that I forgot to mention in my previous videos, which is kind of important if you're coming to France and you're interested in going to museums. There's currently a thing in France called pass sanitaire, which is how can I explain this in a nice way? You can get the pass sanitaire if you have done like the vaccines, like if you have completed one of the vaccines, and then they give like a QR code with like your basic info, like your birthday and stuff. Basically in France for I would say about like 3 weeks now, you cannot really do anything without le pass sanitaire. So basically if you are not vaccinated, you cannot really go to museums unless you do like a negative COVID test. I totally forgot to mention this in my videos. I didn't really think of it because I did my vaccines back in July, so I can't just go anywhere, but I totally forgot to mention it for people who might not be vaccinated. So yeah, just keep that in mind if you're coming here, that you need le pass sanitaire. Like for the museums, even to like sit in the cafes and restaurants, you need it. So yeah, just keep that in mind. Sorry, I forgot to tell you. I had so much fun in Giverny. It was super nice. I should do more like day trip getaways, I think, because I need nature. And yeah, I think that's all I have to say. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Sorry that I didn't talk too much in the vlog. Thank you guys for being here. Thank you for watching, and I will see you next week with a new video. Bye!